Are you looking for the best cheap printers? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother MFP J4335DW. If you don't print that often, or if you need a basic color printer that can also scan, this inkjet is a relatively inexpensive model that handles a variety of print jobs. Who this is for? People who don't require much from a printer and want to keep their printing costs to a minimum, but who also need a scanner. Why we like it? The Brother MFP J4335DW is cheap to run, and in our tests it produced sharp text and good glossy prints. This model comes with 1080 pages worth of black ink and 720 pages worth of color ink in the box, which should last you about a year, by Brother's estimates. Or, you can upgrade to high-yield print cartridges that can print up to 6,000 pages worth of black ink and 5,000 pages worth of color ink. The cost works out to roughly 1 cent per page for monochrome and 5.2 cents for color. The MFP J4335DW reliably prints crisp, dark text and vibrant glossy photos, so it's a solid choice for casual use, whether you're printing documents, homework, or a family photo to stick on the fridge. This model works with Brother's iPrint and Scan app, which is available on iOS and Android, or with AirPrint, iOS, and the Brother Mobile Connect app, Android. The mobile app lets you print from Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, and OneDrive, or you can choose documents and photos stored locally on your device. Brother covers this printer with a 2-year limited warranty. At number 2. Brother Wireless HL L2460DW. If you don't need to print in color on a regular basis, and need to scan only occasionally, this is the best printer you can buy. It's reliable, cheap, and easy to use. Who this is for? This model is ideal for people who don't need a printer on a daily basis but still appreciate having one for the few times a year when they need to print. Why we like it? The Brother HL L2460DW is simple, fast, dependable, easy to set up, and affordable to operate. And because it's a laser printer, it can sit for weeks or months between print jobs and start up again without trouble. Although it's a budget model, it isn't short on features. For the typical $160-ish asking price, you get automatic duplex printing capability, a large 250 sheet paper tray, reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, and the option to use high-yield toner cartridges, which means you don't have to buy them as often. This printer works with Windows, macOS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android. As for print quality, in our testing to choose the best laser printer, we found that this model is more than good enough for any text-based document, but it might need a few settings tweaks to produce a graphics-heavy document that you'd want to hand out to other people. It's also extremely compact, so it can fit in tight spaces where other printers can't go, such as a bookcase shelf. At number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. This business-class machine checks all the boxes for a home office or small business. It's faster, sharper, more durable, and more secure than our other picks. Who this is for? The families, particularly those with school-age kids, or anyone who needs a machine that can reliably do it all should like this model. Why we like it? The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is in HP's most powerful inkjet all-in-one, but it is the best one for most people. It is remarkably easy to set up and use, hitting the sweet spot of speed, print quality, and reliability in a way that other printers can't match. Its running costs are reasonable at 3.2 cents per page for black and white pages and 12.8 cents for color, with the option to join HP's Instant Ink program for set and forget refills and cheaper color printing. Though you should do your research before opting into Instant Ink or the HP Plus program. The printer's sleek design also helps it stand out from stodgy-looking competitors. The 9125E is plenty fast for just about anyone who plans to use it in a home or home office setting. HP rates it at up to 22 pages per minute for black and white documents and 18 ppm for color. In our testing, it got pretty close. With a text-only Google Docs file, it printed at a rate of 21.4 ppm single-sided. We also like the 9125E's bright, capacitive touchscreen display, which makes it easy for you to navigate the menus in comparison with the single-line, monochrome, non-touch displays found on other printers, like the Brother HL L2460DW. And the HP Smart Desktop and mobile app makes it easy for you to scan to or print from all of your devices. At number 4. HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 FDW. This model produces crisp text and vibrant graphics, and has a low operating cost. But you can only use HP toner with it, so be prepared to pay full price come replacement time. Who this is for? This type of printer is great for home office workers and small business owners, or people who print in color often and simply don't want to deal with the clogs that can plague inkjets. Why we like it? The HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 FDW offers an easy setup process, great printing quality, and reasonable operating costs for your home office or small business needs. We had this laser printer up and running in no time thanks to an intuitive touchscreen that walked us through the process in under 10 minutes. Plus, mobile Wi-Fi printing and the optional HP Smart app make printing sans computer a breeze. In our tests, it printed out clear, crisp text down to a font size of 3 points, so even the tiniest of subscripts and legal documents and footer text in charts will remain legible. It also printed high-quality, vibrant graphics and can even crank out good-looking photos, just not glossies, for book reports or presentations. At number 5. Epson SureColor P700. The P700 consistently delivers excellent quality prints with long-lasting pigment inks. It also offers a color touchscreen and other appealing features. The premature need to replace the ink, however, is not so user-friendly. Who this is for? Serious photographers, or those who aspire to be, should go for this kind of printer. Why we like it? The Epson SureColor P700 is capable of delivering gallery-quality prints up to 13 inches wide, and it can print panoramas up to 10 feet long. It can also print on a huge variety of media, including metal and CDs. Though its color photos caught our eye while we were testing for the best photo printer, we especially loved its black and white output, which is as close as you can get to traditional darkroom prints at home. Those prints will last you a long time, too. The P700's Ultrachrome HD pigment ink is one of the longest-lasting consumer-level inks. The touchscreen interface is a cut above what you can get from most rivals. Ink costs are reasonable, and you can buy extra-large capacity tanks, so you'll need to fill up less often. In addition to Wi-Fi, this printer has USB and Ethernet connections for faster printing.